Good people, again, thanks for joining Real Vision TV. We are back. Make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn your notification bell on. Let's get it. So good old Jamie Foxx. Yeah, Jamie Foxx. Let's say it in the Khaled voice. You got another one, right? And in the slew of lawsuits that's been going down in New York City, due to the filing and the deadline for the statute of limitations, Jamie Foxx is one of those that got thrown in the rat race. Now, he's, of course, being accused of assaulting someone as well. Now, I just wanted to, before we even get into the details, the alleged details we know thus far, remember, Jamie Foxx, not so long ago, months ago, was in the news more so for a pity party, with his health, right? So he goes from almost dying and everybody concerned about Jamie Foxx and his health. And then a few months later, bang, now he's the villain. See how it works? This is why we got to stop idolizing these celebrities, because they're not good people. Good people. They're not good people. And we know it. And we here, Real Vision TV is going to emphasize and tell you, stop supporting and following and idolizing these celebrities. Idolize your mother and your father. Idolize your brother and your sister. Idolize your cousin, somebody who's influential to you and your family, as opposed to these losers. So let's get to it. So allegedly, Jamie Foxx faces sexual assault and battery charges in a lawsuit filed on Monday with the New York State Supreme Court. Now, the alleged incident occurred in 2015 at the famous Catch NYC restaurant, according to the complaint. Now, CNN reached out to the representative for the plaintiff seeking a comment, and the plaintiff identified as Jane Doe obviously for the protection of the victim. Her name is kept as Jane Doe. Claims in the suit that Foxx intentionally and without consent used force to offensively touch the plaintiff's person, including groping her breast and genitals. The complaint alleges Foxx seemed intoxicated at the time of the incident. So you guys remember that song with Jamie Foxx? The alcohol, don't blame it on her. Remember that? Seems like he was intoxicated and he might just blame it on the alcohol. Right? Now, as a result, the complaint states the woman suffered and continues to suffer physical and emotional injuries, anxiety, distress, embarrassment, and economic harm, and is seeking an unspecified amount in her lawsuit. Now, a spokesperson for Jamie Foxx told CNN on Thursday, which was yesterday, the alleged incident never happened. In 2020, this individual filed a nearly identical lawsuit in Brooklyn, New York. That case was dismissed shortly thereafter. So they're stating the claims are no more viable today than they were then. The statement also added, "We are confident they will be dismissed." Again, this is Jamie Foxx camp stating this. And once they are, Jamie Foxx intends to pursue a claim for malicious prosecution against the person and her attorneys for refiling this frivolous action. Now, I just got to say this to Jamie Foxx. What happens if it's not frivolous? What happens if the Manhattan court and the judge there and the DA and the prosecutor there feel totally different about what was filed in Brooklyn? Maybe the proper litigation didn't happen, but we just can't fully dismiss the alleged accusations here, Jamie Foxx. Now, the plaintiff is also suing the restaurant's parent company, Catch Hospitality Group, and various related business entities as defendants for negligent hiring, training, and supervision. A representative for the company, Catch, was not immediately obviously available to comment on this, but the victim is actually mentioning them in the suit as well. So the lawsuit, like everybody knows, it was filed under the New York Adult Survivors Act, which went into effect in late November 2022 which allowed adult survivors of sexual abuse to sue their abusers in New York, even if the statute of limitations on their claims had expired. So this is what we mentioned earlier about the extension, allowing these victims to come forward. So that's why you see everybody getting called out for this now. So the law has given adult survivors of sexual assault 1 year to file lawsuits against their perpetrators. So basically 1 year from the date of November, in November 2022 of 2022. That's why we're in late November of 2023 and that deadline is reached, and that's why we're getting all these claims. And it expires today, actually, Friday. So Foxx, like I mentioned earlier, he had that medical episode earlier this year and was hospitalized in Atlanta. For still, we don't even know what the medical condition was because they kept that under wraps. But until we get some more information on this, Jamie Foxx, you're on the books with us too. If you allegedly committed this crime, an awful act towards a female, you a coward. That's right. You a coward, and we don't want to hear you blame it on the alcohol. Right? Because I know you got a mama. I know you probably even have a sister, and you definitely have a daughter. And you don't want nobody doing that to them. So we're going to follow this story, Mr. Foxx. And if we get anything else that sounds more so about the truth, and you committing these heinous alleged acts, we're going to be on your neck just like we was on P. Diddy's neck. Till next time, again, subscribe to the channel. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button and share the video. We are out.